How to recover Snapchat account. Open the Snapchat application. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. If you have deactivated your account recently and 30 days haven't passed, you can recover your account. For that, you'll just have to log in to your account. Tap on the option Login. Enter the username or email or enter the phone number. Enter the password and tap on the option Login. After you log in, your account will be recovered. If you have forgotten the password and if you want to recover the password, for that you'll have to reset your password. Tap on the option Forget your password that you can see on the screen. Choose how you want to reset your password. I'm going to tap on this option via email. Now enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your account. Tap on the option Send Confirmation Code. Now the confirmation code will be sent to the email. Open the Gmail on your device. Look for the email sent by Snapchat. Tap on it. Find the code over here. Memorize this code, or you can also copy it. Go back to the Snapchat app. Enter the code over here. Now you'll be logged into your account using the code. Like this, your account has been recovered. You can go ahead to the settings and reset the password if you want. Like this, you'll be able to recover your Snapchat account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.